Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sai Recipes. With Christmas right around the corner, we've got the perfect recipe to make your holiday dinner extra special. Stuffed chicken or pork tenderloin. Juicy, flavorful, and so easy to make. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need chicken breasts or pork tenderloin, fresh herbs, garlic, cheese, and your favorite stuffing ingredients. You can even add some cranberries or nuts for a festive twist. Start by making the stuffing. Sauté some garlic, onions, and herbs. Then, mix in breadcrumbs, cheese, and any extras you like. The stuffing should be flavorful, but not too wet. Now, take your chicken or pork, cut a pocket into the center, and stuff it with your mixture. Secure it with toothpicks or kitchen twine. Next, we're going to sear the meat on both sides until golden brown. This step locks in all the flavors. Then, transfer your stuffed tenderloin to the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your meat. Make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And there you have it, a beautifully stuffed chicken or pork tenderloin, perfect for your Christmas dinner. Serve it with some roasted veggies or mashed potatoes, and you're all set. Juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. This dish will impress your guests and make your holiday meal unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more holiday recipe ideas. Merry Christmas and happy cooking!